Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to discuss the layers panel and the color sync panel. Those are both found over on the right hand side of your screen over here. So I'm just going to go under, let's go under projects and let's just choose one of these. So let's do a New Year's photo prop. This is just one that was made and is in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to click on Customize to bring that into my Design Space window. Now, as you can see, it came in huge. So all I do is click on Select All and then go over and make sure that the padlock is locked. That's very important. And then change your width. I'm just going to change it to 5. And now I've got all my shapes in a spot where I can see them. In this example, I am not actually going to be cutting these out. I'm just needed something to show you the layers panel and the color sync panel. But if you're wanting to cut this out, then you would change it to whatever size you need and continue on from there. All right, so as for the layers panel is something that shows you everything that you have on your design screen here. So in this case, we've got the glasses on a stick, we've got the champagne bottle, and it shows you all the different groups, okay, of how everything is. Okay, so there's the mask and the mustache and the lips and the bow. So everything is there. If you wanted to make a change to any of these, all you need to do, yes, you can go and ungroup this and go from there. The easiest thing to do, though, is to click on one of these over here. For example, the champagne glass. If we don't want the champagne to be this color, maybe we want it more of a, like it's kind of a gold right now. If we want it to be like a rose color, maybe we like rosé or something, you can absolutely change the color. So what I've done is I've selected on the layers panel, I've clicked on the slice result for the champagne glass. I'm going to go up to the color section, click on the color, and I'm just going to choose rose. Now what that does, see, is it changes the color to rose. And I did not have to ungroup anything. I didn't have to move anything around or try to, sometimes if it's ungrouped and you start moving stuff around and you resize it and then it doesn't fit back together. Doing it this way, you can change whatever colors you want on this. Maybe you want the lips to be, I don't know, a blue, right? So you can change, my point is that you can just change the colors over here and not worry about accidentally changing the size or the skew of something, okay? So that's what this is all about here. And you can do that with any of these. As long as you can see them on the right-hand side, you can do that. So then the other thing that's over here is the color sync. Now the color sync, what that is it shows you all the different colors, for example, that are going to be in this selection over here, this New Year's photo prop thing that we got out of the projects. What this shows you is all the blacks. So everything that's black on the pictures here will show up under black over here. Now, I don't know if you've ever noticed, for example, if I were to click on text and type Christmas, just to bring in something different here, it comes in as this kind of this grayish color, not a black. So if you're doing that and you want everything to be the same, you can go to the layers panel and move stuff around to ensure that everything is the way you want it. So for example, my word Christmas, if I were to click on this here and drag it up, I can put it within the black area, and now you'll notice here it's the black that matches the black in the props that we brought in. So you can definitely drag and drop these. If I wanted the champagne instead of being the pink, I decided, yeah, no, I don't want that. I want it to be the champagne color, the gold. I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to drag, and you'll see that there's a little line is popping up right around there. And wherever that line is, when you drop it, that's what it's going to do. It's going to put it into that color section. So now you can see I've moved my rose colored champagne into the yellow section, and now over here it's back to the champagne color. So we can do the same for the blue for the lips. Okay, so if we don't want them blue, we want them red, just drag it to the red section, let go, and now it's back to the red. So this is a really nice way, quick and easy way of getting all of your colors synced so that your project looks nice and you're not going to be using, you know, many different shades of the same color. This way, all of these will cut out on one sheet, all of these will cut out on one sheet, and it just makes the process of cutting things out that much easier. I hope that this quick little demonstration of the layers panel and the color sync panel, I hope that they aren't quite as scary to you now, or that you know how to use them more efficiently. Thank you very much for joining me, and happy crafting!